This video shows for project kitchen cabinets assemble inspection. This order contains 12 sets, kitchen cabinets. Those are kitchen cabinets finished panels wait for packing. As for big quantity, order, we would choose 1-2 sets kitchen cabinets for assemble. And here are the modular cabinets, panels and basic accessory that prepare to pack in flat panel. Those are assemble kitchen cabinets for inspection. Base cabinets are in laminate finish while wall units in lacquer door. All the cabinets use soft closing hinges and metal drawer box. And we have much work to do on check the cabinets quality after assemble. So contact us if you want to know more about the cabinets.